Are you struggling to figure out how to start trading? Overwhelmed by all the information out there? Imagine mastering the basics of trading in record time and confidently placing your first profitable trade. In this video, I'll show you exactly how I would learn trading fast if I was starting as a beginner. Let's jump in. Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel name, where we simplify trading and investing for beginners. Starting your trading journey can feel intimidating, especially with so much to learn. But guess what? It doesn't have to be. If I was starting from scratch today, I'd focus on a few key steps to learn trading fast while avoiding beginner mistakes. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear, step-by-step game plan to kickstart your trading journey and fast-track your learning. Let's get started. Before you dive into trading, it's essential to understand the fundamentals. What is trading? It's buying and selling financial instruments like stocks, Forex, or crypto to profit from price movements. Key terms you must know: market order versus limit order, bull market versus bear market, support and resistance, risk-reward ratio. There are tons of free resources online, but I'd recommend starting with beginner-friendly tutorials and articles. Keep it simple. You don't need a finance degree to trade. As a beginner, don't try to learn everything at once. Pick one market: stocks, Forex, or crypto, and master it. Why focus on one? Each market has its own rules and behaviors. You'll learn faster by concentrating your efforts. For example, if you like stability, start with stocks. If you're okay with high risk and reward, try crypto. Once you've chosen your market, open a demo account. This allows you to practice trading with virtual money, so you can learn without risking real cash. Spend time placing trades, testing strategies, observing how the market moves. Remember, it's all about building confidence before trading live. Don't overwhelm yourself with dozens of strategies. Start with one simple and proven method. Example: the moving average crossover strategy. Buy when the 50-day average is above the 200-day moving average. Sell when the opposite happens. Why this works? It's easy to understand and implement. You'll develop discipline by sticking to the rules. The fastest way to fail as a trader is by ignoring risk management. Here's what I'd do. Only risk 1 to 2% of your trading capital per trade. Always use a stop loss to limit your downside. Never trade with money you can't afford to lose. Consistency is key to learning quickly. Set aside time daily to analyze the market. Review your trades, study new concepts, track your progress in a trading journal. Stay curious, read books, watch videos, and learn from experienced traders. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more trading tips. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.